Guys, we are thrift shopping, but this time it's gonna be for home decor. So I think I'm gonna buy this one, y'all, and then I'm gonna DIY this. Now look at this lamp. Is it not pretty? It's for $9.99. I like this lamp so much. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna get two of these. One's a lighter color and the other one is a darker color. So I think I'm gonna kind of mix them. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Cause that'll be super cute. Okay, yeah, I'm thinking. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and get right into the video. As you guys saw from my previous video that I thrifted a lamp from the Goodwill. It was only $7.99. It's a vintage lamp that I am redoing my whole guest room. And so I wanted to start with pieces that I could recreate on my own and make it into something that I love. And so this is what this video is all about. Also, when I saw this lamp, I was just like, oh my God, I can definitely do something with the lamp shade. So I was just like, okay, looking online, like what expensive designer lamp can I redo, or what lamp I really like and I could just redo. And so I found tons of lamp shades, but none of what my vision was. So I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna take from all of these, from the designer, from Amazon, from CB2, all of those websites. I was just like, you know what? I want to flip it into my own, and this is exactly what I am going to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and start. You guys already saw the lamp that I have. I'm gonna re-show it again, but let's just go ahead and get into the video. This is the lamp that I purchased from Goodwill. It was $7.99. Let me show you. You know it's vintage when it has this brown cord here. And I could leave it like this, but I kind of want to add my own touch to it. So I'm going to redo it a little bit. But yeah, this is the lamp that I'm about to do. I'm going to start with the lamp shade first and see what I like once I'm done. So you guys have to stay tuned. I'm in my garage too. I haven't cleaned this out yet. I thoroughly cleaned all of my furniture, y'all. So basically I took the rope and I wrapped it around the lamp. I glued it when I started, and then in the middle, when I made sure that all of the lines were tight, I would glue it down to make sure that it was secure. Now, I originally wanted to just do piece by piece, but then I'm like, I don't have all day to do that. And then it didn't matter how the inside looked. I was just really making sure that the outside was neat and that it was tight. So this is how I started my base. Here is what I have done so far on the lamp shade here. I think it looks so freaking good. I want to add something on the bottom of it, maybe some feathers or something. I ran out of the thread, so I think I have another color, which I think I'm going to use, because, y'all, we got to use what we have, you know? And so I think I'm going to do that and add something on the bottom of it to give it that, like, pizzazz to it. But I like it so far. It's so pretty. Especially, I don't know if it's showing on, this is like a silk material. It feels and looks so freaking good. So once I have cleaned the lamp, it's outside in the garage. I haven't cleaned it yet. But once I clean it, I'm going to put it all together. I may go to the store. I don't know. I might use what I have. I'm trying to decide. I'm not sure yet. If I do, it would have to be, I'm trying to see what color should I do. I will probably do this color. I'm thinking I'll do that. Yeah, I'll do that. But yeah, y'all, it looks so good. Stay tuned. Good morning. All right, guys, so here is the lamp. I still have some more work to do, but this is how it looks without the fringes at the bottom. I wanted to show y'all that this is I like how it turned out, and I love this silhouette vintage lamp here. It is so nice. Oh my gosh, so nice. And it turned out really good. And y'all, I ended up just getting more of this rope and just doing the rest of it in that color. I was gonna do like a darker, I was gonna do this color, but I was like, you know, I kind of like it lighter. I don't know why, but I like it lighter. But this is it. Is it not nice? I'm gonna bring my other marble table because I feel like we need another table up here to like see how that looks. I'm not sure if any of this is gonna stay. I was just playing around with it yesterday, but just look, y'all. So I purchased this from Amazon. I'm gonna put it on the screen, but I'm gonna wrap it all the way around the lamp. Alright guys, so I just finished my lamp here and I'm in love. Someone's calling me. I think it turned out so good, y'all. I will have everything linked below, but I'm gonna show y'all. It looks so cute. Okay, come on, we'll get into it. Guys, here is the final lamp here. It is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Okay, I probably have to cut some of these off. I was just messing with it before I turned the camera on, but y'all, I am in love. I'm in love. They look amazing. I have to play with it because you know these fringes, they can get tangled up, so I have to play with it. But I absolutely love the finishing touches that I have on this. What do y'all think? I absolutely love it. Again, I have to cut some of this because I literally just finished and I wanted to show y'all. And I'm just like, oh my God, I absolutely love it. So yeah, I'm gonna cut some of these off, and then that's gonna be the lamp. So let me do that, and then I'll show you the final look. Y'all let me know if you like it or not. I think it looks amazing against everything. Okay, let me do that.